Hey yo!
It's RC and Joe!
And we are in South Korea!
Yay! And it's snowing! First snow namin. Our first snow ever.
In our entire life.
Kaya as snow first-timers, kami lang yung tanga dito na hindi nakapayong. Pero it's okay.
Yeah. One day lang siyang mag-snow dito sa entire stay namin. Masaya ang snow, pero okay ng one day.
Time check, it's 7 AM. Good morning! Annyeonghaseyo!
Hanap kami ng breakfast place.
So as much as we glamorize snow, it's not really practical for someone who has a disability because the street is very slippery. It's not ideal for me talaga to walk. Mas prone talaga sa accidents and injuries. Ayun. Magandang siya, warning if dadalhin niyo yung mga moms nyo, mga lolas dito sa country na snow. Kasi nga, slippery talaga siya. For us, hindi siya common information kasi we don't know. So usually we search sa Google or sa YouTube kung anong feeling. This is valuable information for us na talagang kapag may snow. Experiencing it firsthand, talagang madulas talaga yung daan. Right now pala, we are on our way to some breakfast kay Annyeonghaseyo. Wow, sa business proposal experience namin para Ediya, tapos Tusam. Yun yung mga parang coffee chains dito sa Korea eh. Ediya, Tusam, Hollies, Paris Baguette, saka yung kay La Vie, yung Mega Box Coffee. Mega Box ba yun? Baka mali ako. Kamusta naman po ang pagtutulak?
Okay naman, hindi slippery dito. Buti yung tiles nila parang medyo rough.
Nag-glisten talaga siya. Ayun o. Sinasayad ko yung pa ako ngayon sa floor eh. No chance na makakalakad ako. Pero kay RC daw, okay naman daw.
Yeah.
Nasa mo na nagtutulak. Sarap eh, asawa ko.
Sarap eh, asawa.
Ayan ang feeling na nalalagagan ng snow. Pero hindi ko sure kung kita ba sa video yung snow. We're here to some place for breakfast. May McDonald's din. Napili ko dito mag-breakfast kasi number 1, Annyeonghaseyo. Number 2, may elevator sila. So, yay! Also good to note din na not a lot of buildings here in Korea has elevators. Ito, rarefied na siya. Katulad ng BBQ na gusto sana kainan. May hagdan siya.
Ang laki ng Tusam place dito. As in, pwede ka mag-Christmas party. Here's our order.
We got the pesto panini and of course ice americano. Ay, masarap ang americano nila.
Talaga?
Wow! With a very, very subtle bitter aftertaste na tolerable. Pero caramelly yung notes niya. Very similar sa pesto panini ng Starbucks. Ang fun part naman sa kanila is meron silang tomato. Parang may plus. Parang hindi ko sure kung may tomato yung sa Starbucks. It's light, it's fluffy, it's soft, not too sweet. Perfect. Para mas masarap si Tusam kaysa kay Ediya.
Tara ko ano yung description ng pangalan niya yung makukuha mo.
Wow, date. Tusam date.
Yeah. Tuloy din ang breakfast date. Actually, matagal nang nire-request ni Joe. Nasa Imus pa lang kami.
Ako na naman ang nagyaya sa'yo.
Well,
hindi ako nayayaya.
Siya ang nagyayaya kasi siya po ang may pera.
Bye!
This is our 4th day and we are samgyupsaling. Magaganda yung meats nila.
The frosting. Ang sarap!
This is our second time here.
So good.
Yung first time kasi namin, hindi namin alam yung pangalan.
Mong Belly.
Mong Belly.
Natin sa salt lang.
Sarap din yan ng plain lang. Grabe.
Winner.
This is Korean lettuce.
I love this. Yung mga ganitong luto. Ano, ganyang luto. Sarap. The frosting.
Oh my God.
Sarap. No? Pork belly.
Pork belly. Look at that. Oh my God. Amazing. Parang if you're in Korea, parang hindi pwedeng hindi ka magsasamgyu. Kasi sa kanila galing to eh.
Yung pinag-origin. Grabe naman, this one. Pero kahit maluto siya, ang tender niya pa rin.
Talagang mapapasayo ka sa saya. Charot.
Sulit eh. Sobrang sulit niya talaga.
Sa pala ay full set. Beef plus pork, 29,700 Korean won. Para sabihin natin 30,000. Oo, 1-2. Hindi ko lang sure kung kasama na sa full set yung rice. Kasi nung kumuha ako ng rice, ayun. May size
$1
talaga
siya.
1,000 won. Unlimited rice. Let's do a full ballot. You're really in the pork belly. Or garlic, onion.
The radish is masarap.
That's right. Dip sa gochujang. Ang grabe ba talaga ang meat nila dito?
I agree.
Kaya mga pamangkins, pumunta na kayo dito kay Mong Belly.
Ay, muna kami. Bye-bye.
Annyeong!
Annyeong! We're here at Cafe.
Sino si Dong?
Basta, dito to sa may Hongdae. Ang ganda ng place niya. Looks like abandoned building. Parang kay Onion Cafe.
Parang Hanok style / modern-ish. Ganun.
Ganda ng vibes kasi may mga pa-fireplace pa sila kunwari. Hindi pala kunwari, totoo. Buwasi.
And masarap yung coffee ng asawa.
Ang order ko is chumenilin. Kalimutan ko na.
Yung may rice.
Yung may rice crisp.
Rice foam.
Kay Jojo Itchoy is ice latte.
Na milky pa din.
And marshmallow. We're here at Hongdae!
Yay! Party! Nandito kami para mag-spot ng mga opa. At saka mga street performances from future idols. Bye!
Maglakad-lakad muna.
Okay, lakad-lakad muna. Parang never pa tayo nakapunta ng Hongdae tapos umaga, no? Ang vibe talaga sa Hongdae ng gabi.
Annyeong! It's dinner time!
And I'm excited to try kasi I haven't tried this brand of Korean fried chicken yet. Meron ata nito sa Pilipinas but it's BHC here in Hongdae, near Hongik University.
Ang cute dito kasi yung server mo, yung robot. Later, makita niyo yung order namin.
So we followed the crowd and ordered what everyone's ordering. Ito yun. Cheese. And the chicken includes dip. And radish. And hopefully makahingi pa kami. Tteokbokki. Ayan. Tteokbokki. Oh. Okay, let's try. Leg part. Chicken, super hot. Hot siya. In fairness, cheese talaga siya, more on the sweeter side. Was crispy and juicy. So far, I like it. Pero feeling ko may tendency siyang naging nakakaumay. Kaya natin siyang i-dip. Sarap!
Pakloy.
Parang with the cream, nagiging sour cream siya. Yung lasa niya parang nagiging lasang sour cream.
I love the chicken. And yes, nasa sweeter side siya. Jose! Apatso. Ang harap. Yung rice nila cute, parang yung nasa kloy. Yung mga iniingat na lang.
Cute!
At least we try different chicken house naman dito. Pusin lang namin. See you again tomorrow. Saan kaya kami makapadpad?
Annyeong!
It's our, ano ba? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 5th day today.
And we still have today until Sunday. So parang technically meron pa tayong 4 days to enjoy Korea. Grabe, no? This is probably our longest day ever. And I wish ganito na yung mga stay natin next time talaga. Kasi walang beaten factor. I don't feel na minamadali ako.
And we are going to Dongdaemun Market.
Dongdaemun.
Annyeonghaseyo!
Annyeonghaseyo! So after namin maligaw,
from Dongdaemun to Nongdaemun.
To not finding any pedestrian and wala ring mahanap na elevator na pwedeng babaan. Hey, but we're here. And yun ang importante.
Nakapila kami na kay Kotok. Vegetable Kotok. Ito yung kanyang pila.
Saka si Sir.
So hindi namin alam kung nag-accept pa sila ng card. Charot. Pero meron mo kaming cash.
Ang ganda.
Ang sarap! So warm and comforting. Ito for sure yung seed or yung parang honey na may seed. Sabi.
Bango.
On our way to Nongdaemun. So outside, marami ka nang nakikitang nagbebenta ng food. Pero the next target is probably Kalgukso. So pwede rin palang parang shopping district dito kasi maraming shopping ng clothes, para siyang Tianggian.
We ordered cafe latte, hot, and mint chocolate latte.
If meron kayong pipiliin na coffee shop, hindi pa ka natitigman yung kape. I-recommend na dahil may 4 na pogi na nandito sa Momo Coffee. Nire-recommend pero I have yet to taste their coffee. Pero naging pogi. Iced hot. I need this right now kasi nilalamig na. Coffee, so far, first sip, not bad. Milky talaga siya. Para ko umiinom ng milk. Pero, ang init niya kaya masarap. Peppermint?
Here's our order, the spicy carbonara. Tomato and hamburger stick. Annyeong, we're here
Annyeong.
at
Rolling pasta.
Rolling Pasta.
It's a popular pasta chain here. Pero sayang wala pa sila sa Myeongdong. Ang cozy ng place. I love it. Ay tayo. It's creamy, it's spicy, it's rich. Those are al dente.
So mine is tomato hamburger pasta.
Hamburger. Steak cook.
Let's try the burger.
Sarap. Butin 10 pizza. Kasi talagang busog ski. Huh? Talaga. Yay!
Ano po sa'yo, seafood? Hindi.
Beef. It's acidic but sweet at the same time. Served with al dente meats. Kain mo kami, bye-bye. And coming from me. Ito yung sabi ko kay RC na gusto ko iuwi ulit sana na Pilipinas kaso paano may wheelchair.
Fairness sa donuts nila, hindi masyado matamis.
Ewan lang natin if na maintain nila yung consistent quality. in the softest, creamiest, lightest. Hindi siya super tamis. Wow. Diba nakuha na yung balance ng milk and coffee.
Ang sarap ng strawberry.
Cappuccino.
Kain na kami! Annyeong! Ito na siya!
Yay!
These are not fried, these are baked. Gourmet baked. Meron siyang kasamang dip. Garlic dip ata. Chong. Hamde. Okay. Parang it's all about the sauces siya. So far, in fairness naman, talagang clean tasting chicken na walang kahit anong mantika. Parang hindi ka mahihilo kapag kinakain mo siya. You can taste the spices naman, pero flavor-wise, talagang siya yung pinaka-subdued or pinaka-kalmado compared dun sa mga Korean fried chicken na nakain ko so far. It's hard to compare kasi magkaiba sila talaga ng atake.
Time check, it's 10:46 kasi we are undecided kung
Kakain o hindi.
Kakain o hindi.
Ganun din naman.
oven chicken. Tama si Joe na sa ganitong klaseng chicken parang kailangan ng isang matinding sauce. Marap. Tapos meron sila sides na pampulot ng crunchy na walang lasa. Marap.
Hap siya. I like it for its very calm.
Bye!
Bye!
Good night!
Good night! Happy Valentine's!
Happy Valentine's! Kainin lang namin to.
Kahit ma-upload to, tipong June na.
Tapos bukas na ulit.